Okay, let's take a quick walk around this scooter. This is a 2022 BMW C 400 GT. And here are the Skene Lights up front, the Photon Boosters. Okay. And out back, here are the Skene P3-TS. The TS is for turn signals. I did a video of these last year, but I might as well combine this all in one here. Okay. And now let's turn on the scoot and show these lights. Okay. Here are the lights in the back. Okay. And here are the very bright photon boosters in the front. Okay. Now let me put the camera on a stand just a second now. Okay, we'll start with the photon boosters in the front again. And now let's do the P3 lights in the back. I'll show the brake and turn signal and four-way flashers and brake again. And the brakes again. Last, I'm going to show the same lights, but in the shade of the garage here. And last, the photon boosters in the shade. They're so bright, they're almost painful to look at. Here we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching.